Let's start by removing the 5 7mm bolts that are located all across the front of this shield. Splash shield's gonna come down a little bit. Watch out for that. Now right here on this lower radiator support, the shield is held on by a push clip. Go ahead and pop out the center, and then the whole thing will come right out. And then there's one over here. If you follow it, you can just remove that. Separate the two pieces. This push clip wants to stay in here, that's fine. It should be the same on this side. I only have this large push clip. This part right here for me is broken, so I don't have to worry about it, but for you, it's probably still gonna be there. So carefully grab it, slide it forward, and down, and then there you have it. Now the shield, when you install it, you'll notice it has these two pins here. They have to line up with these two holes on the subframe. Okay, get it lined up. You should be able to push these two pins into their corresponding slots. Next, I'm gonna get the two main push pins in. Lock it. Since we're on this side, I'm gonna reattach this as well. Reattach the other side as well. And now since it's not broken anymore, we will fully attach it, just like that. Slide the mounting screws through the front. Make sure they line up and screw them in. And you're done.